Why Cummins INSITE 9.1 matters for technicians and fleets. Modern diesel engines are more complex than ever, and accurate diagnostics are essential to keep them running at peak performance. Cummins INSITE 9.1 provides technicians and fleet managers with the tools they need to reduce downtime, cut costs, and improve reliability. The software stands out for its ability to streamline troubleshooting. By connecting directly to the ASME, INSITE 9.1 delivers fault codes and live engine data within minutes. This allows technicians to diagnose issues with confidence instead of relying on trial and error. For fleets, the benefit is clear: less time off the road. Real-time monitoring of fuel pressure, temperature, and system performance helps detect problems early and supports preventive maintenance. This reduces unexpected breakdowns and extends the lifespan of every vehicle in the fleet. Another advantage is global compatibility, with a 2-year license support for Windows 10 and 11 and a standardized English database. Cummins INSITE 9.1 can be used across workshops worldwide. More than just software, it's a trusted partner in every repair and maintenance routine. Discover how Cummins INSITE 9.1 can transform your service process. Visit diagnostics.techpro.com